I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series steering wheel, updated. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 5 minutes before you touch the airbag, then remove the wheel center trim. Use a Torx driver for the airbag bolts, unplug connectors gently, and mark the wheel and shaft alignment. Keep screws organized and inspect the clock spring for damage. Stay calm and methodical to avoid mistakes and keep safety first while working. You will need a small selection of tools to remove the wheel safely and cleanly, and I recommend having them ready before you start. Gather a Torx set, ratchet with sockets, a steering wheel puller, and plastic trim tools to protect panels. Use gloves and eye protection, and keep magnetic trays for fasteners. Work on a flat surface with good light, and label connectors so reassembly is quick and accurate without guesswork. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading repair manuals and waiting for parts to arrive, and it fits comfortably on a workbench during longer jobs. I find it useful for reference and downtime, and it pairs well with workshop playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by centering the steering wheel and loosening the central nut, but leave it threaded to prevent the wheel falling forward. Remove the airbag module bolts, then unplug the airbag connector and place the module safely face up. Attach the wheel puller and apply even pressure until the wheel releases from the splines, then remove the nut and pull the wheel free. Finally, disconnect the clock spring and electrical plugs and store parts neatly for reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.